In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view layers in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Have you ever opened a PDF and noticed that some elements disappear or change when you click around? That's because many PDFs come with multiple layers, similar to how artists use layers in digital paintings to keep different elements separate. Layers can be incredibly useful for organizing different aspects of a document, but it's important to know how to view and manage them. To get started, open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is your first step in unlocking the layered features of your document. Navigating through Adobe Acrobat can initially seem daunting if you're not familiar with the interface, but fear not, it's user-friendly once you understand where the essential tools are located. Once your document is opened, direct your attention to the right side of the interface. Here, you're typically looking for the Layers icon. Clicking on this icon should open the Layers panel, providing you a glimpse of the layers contained within your PDF. But what if the Layers icon isn't visible? Okay, don't worry, Adobe has a workaround for that. If your Layers icon is hiding, head over to the top left of the interface and locate the hamburger menu. It's essentially three horizontal lines stacked atop each other. Click on that to bring up an array of additional options. From here, choose View, then navigate to Show Hide. Afterwards, select Side Panels, and finally, click on Layers. This series of clicks ensures the Layers panel is now visible and ready for you to explore. Within the Layers panel, you'll see a list of layer names, similar to how you might name layers in photo editing software. Clicking on a layer name isn't just informative, it actively selects that layer, letting you focus on its specific elements. Perhaps the most practical feature in this panel is the eye icon that appears to the left of each layer name. This icon functions as a toggle for visibility. If the eye is showing, the layer is currently visible within your document. Clicking the eye icon will make it disappear, effectively hiding the layer. Clicking it again will make the layer visible once more. This functionality allows you to isolate sections of your document, making it easier to manage complex presentations or collaborate on different parts of a project. And there you have it, a crash course in checking out layers within Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Now you can make the most out of layered PDFs, whether you're reviewing architectural plans, complex brochures, or collaborative documents. By mastering these basic actions, you can ensure you're always getting the full story behind your digital documents. Thanks for watching and happy editing.